Now we come to perfect cubes. This is the list of the first 10 perfect cube when I cube from 1 to 10. All these highlighted numbers are actually possible values of a volume of a cube. By definition, perfect cubes, when written in index notation, all powers must be divisible by 3. Are these 4 examples all perfect cubes? Let's look at each power. Let's circle those which are divisible by 3 in green. Okay, 3 is divisible by 3, obviously. 6 is divisible by 3. This 3 is also divisible by 3. But how about the rest? Can 2 be divisible by 3? No. So I highlight in red. So remember, perfect cubes needs to be all powers divisible by 3. So which are perfect cubes? This and this. Because all the powers are divisible by 3. For the red color ones, we circled it because those powers are not divisible by 3. So these are not perfect cubes. So if you cannot use calculator, then how do you find the cube root of 1728? We first list down the index notation, then we cube root it. And when we cube root, what will happen to the powers of the factors? Divide by 3. So the pattern is when you see a cube root, powers divide by 3. So I've left with 2 square times 3, which will give me 12. You can check calculator that the cube root of 1728 equals to 12. So if I give you index notation of 2744, can you find the cube root of it? Can? We just what? Power divide by 3. So if both powers divide by 3, what do you left? You are left with 2 times 7. Calculate it, give me 14. So the answer to the length of a side of a cube is 14 cm. Now I want 600 times k to be a perfect cube. What does perfect cube mean? Powers divisible by 3. So if I have 600, what is the first step that we should do? Write the index notation. Yes. After I write index notation, I want to make it a perfect cube. And I am multiplying it. So I'm adding more factors. Okay, so factors, the powers should increase. So 2 cube. Is this a perfect cube yet? This power is divisible by 3, right? So I am okay with this. How about 3? 3 as in 3 power 1. I must make it a multiple of 3, right? For the powers. What is the next power of multiple of 3? I must make it power 3, right? So, up to the 5. Okay, 5 square. Is 5 square a perfect cube yet? No. Then what is the next power? 5 power 3. So this is the new number that I want. And what did I do from first to the second? Did I multiply any 2's? No, right? Still the same. Did I multiply any 3's? Yes. How many times? 2 times. So times 3 square. Did I multiply any 5's? I only multiplied by 1 5. So the answer for k is 3 square times 5, which will give me 45. And that's the smallest integer value of k. Integer meaning whole numbers.